The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPCL) Limited has shut down the Harcourt Refinery Company (PHRC). Naija News reports that in a statement on Saturday by its Chief Corporate Communications Officer, Femi Shuneye, NNPCL said the closure will begin on 24th of May 2025. NNPCL stated that the shutdown is part of a scheduled maintenance and sustainability assessment to ensure optimal facility performance. Shuneye said NNPCL remains steadfast in its commitment to delivering sustainable energy security for Nigeria, adding that further updates about the development will be provided regularly through official channels. The statement reads, "The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited (NNPC Limited) wishes to inform the general public that the Harcourt Refinery Company (PHRC) will undergo a planned maintenance shutdown. This scheduled maintenance and sustainability assessment will commence on the 24th of May 2025. However, the NNPCL states that further updates will be provided regularly through their official channels, including their website, media platforms, and public statements. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to Naija News TV.